welcome back to Fast and Easy Indian Food. Today I'm going to make a pasta salad, and that's going to be from Elbow Pasta. First of all, I'm going to show you. For that, I'm going to use chicken breast. You can take any chicken. You can take ground chicken too. I'm going to have chili flakes, salt, black pepper, and then I'm going to use oil, and then I'm going to use onion, garlic, and then jalapeno, some as you taste, tomato, cilantro, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, some corn, some carrots. This one you can put whatever the vegetable you like. That's all I have, so I'm going to make it with this. You can add cabbage also. So let's start with chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and marinate my chicken first. So first of all, I'm going to take one teaspoon of chili flakes, and then I'm going to go ahead and take 1 spoon of salt, and then some black pepper and some thyme. And you can use any chicken. You can use ground chicken, you can use chicken breast, thigh meat, whatever you like. I had this chicken at home, so I thought I'm going to go ahead and use this chicken today. That's it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put 1 tablespoon oil on my pan. I'm going to go ahead and mix these ingredients in the chicken, all of this, and then I'm going to put it on the stove. And this is my water. As you see, this is the water for pasta. I already started it, and I'm going to show you all three together, so it'll be easy and you will get it fast. I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken on the stove right now. If you put the spices like 1 hour or 2 hours, it's also really good. It tastes very good. I didn't have that much time. I have to cook it, so for my lunch, so I have to get it ready really fast. The chicken is cooking. Let me wash my hands. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put another spoon of oil in the hot water. Just like this is just the boiling water. I'm going to go ahead and put 1 spoon oil, and I'm going to go ahead and put some salt, just 1 spoon salt in my hot water. And then this is already really hot, so I'm going to go ahead and put my pasta. It's an elbow pasta. I use this one, but you can use whichever one. This is all gone. Okay, but when this is cooking, all this too, I'm going to go ahead and make my vegetables here. So again, I'm going to go ahead and put 1 spoon oil. That's good enough. I'm going to go, this is like 1 onion. It's hot already. I'm going to put 1 onion. Let it cook, and then I'm going to put my tomato. I'm going to put this one first. Tomato, cilantro, and all that, and then I'm going to put this vegetable. Okay. I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to use the same seasoning, all this, what I showed you for my vegetables also, and the sauce. This all 4 I'm going to use to make my spicy vegetable here. So let's start it, and I'll show you then. See that my onion is a little bit like red in color. I'm going to go ahead and put my ginger first. My garlic first, I'm sorry. And let it cook a little bit more with the onion. And then I'm going to put the jalapeno after that. Let it cook with the onion. And I'm going to go ahead and turn my chicken. As you see, it's all ready here. I'm going to make my stove a little bit. Okay. Smells really good. So I'm going to turn my chicken right here. And check my pasta right there. It's almost done. As you see right here. Okay, now come back here. Now this is sauté already. Now I'm going to put these 2 ingredients, tomato and cilantro, and let it cook a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and then add the vegetables. So let it cook a few minutes, and then in the end I'm going to put this vegetable. I'm going to go ahead and put my black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and put my salt. And then again the red chili. And some thyme leaves. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything. Put some water and take this water. And let it cook. I'm going to cover the stove and let all this vegetable cook. Okay, so my pasta is done. I'm going to go ahead and close this stove. I'm going to take my pasta out and leave it here till my chicken and my vegetable is still cooking. So I'm going to wait for this till it cooks, okay? We're going to wait. Okay, so as you see, my chicken is already cooked. Everything is cooked really good. Here you go. Looks very nice and soft. I'm going to go ahead and now put this chicken and my vegetable. They are cooked too. Make the stove high again. Mix everything together. Mix all this. Let it cook for like a couple of minutes so all the spice and everything go inside. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and check my vegetable, and my chicken is in there too now. Oh, you can see it's done. I'm going to go ahead and put my pasta in it now. And you see how it's really separated all together. I'm going to use that much. I'm going to save this one for my macaroni cold salad. So this looks really good. It tastes good too. You should try. It's going to be really nice and tasty. You can eat with your salad. Very, very healthy. In the end, I'm going to go ahead and I use like garlic butter, you know. This one, a garlic and herb, but you can use whichever you want. I'm going to just go ahead and put like slightly for the taste, like that much. 1 spoon. That's it. And till the butter get melt, I'm going to mix all together with the butter. And it's going to melt in the pasta, and then that's it. It's all done. I'm going to go ahead and show you after it's going to be ready, like till the butter melts, so maybe like 2 minutes. That's it. Okay, so I dish it out, and you see it looks really good and nice. Chicken is there, vegetables, everything's so good, and looks really nice. So please try this recipe. This is one of my favorite recipe. I usually cook a lot for lunch, and you can serve with a side salad. It tastes really good. Definitely you're going to love it. Please comment the video, subscribe the channel, and hit the like button. Thank you. Enjoy.